Hello, everyone. Every 2 weeks, I get a delivery from Mycomicshop.com. In that delivery, it contains my pre-order comics that I've ordered every 2 months, and also books that are piggybacked on those orders, like books that I order in between that I sometimes find at a discounted rate. Well, that's all for this time. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on New Comic Book Day. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up.